Well guys, today I'm going to show you the Asus laptop. As you see in front of me, there is a box, Asus box, and it's mentioned in search of incredible. Yes, today I'm going to unboxing the laptop. Well, as you see on the box itself, it's mentioning the model number X507U. Okay, going to unbox it. Let's look at this. The box, you see, this is the adapter. Here is the power adapter, which mentions voltage. I'll leave it side. Now look at this laptop. It is quite easy to handle, lightweight, as I see. Well, it's behind Windows 10 original. Let's see. Now see the full laptop. I will first of all show you the screen. Just look, the screen is bezel-less. There is the Asus logo. Well, let's come on the other features. As you see, Core i3. This is the fingerprint sensor on the laptop. Lightweight, super battery backup with sonic master speakers inside it. The keyboard is very chiclet and the laptop is very good. So this is the Asus laptop. So guys, how you like this physically laptop? Asus, thank you.